Okay, hello. What's up?
Hello.
Everything's good?
Yes.
Wait, how's your school today, Evan?
Good. Yeah.
Wait. Your camera is freezing. Okay.
Is
Okay.
it?
No, I'm a bit laggy.
Is it like
My connection is laggy.
yes, Mister? You are a bit laggy.
Check. Is everything loud and clear now? Check.
Yes.
All right. How's your school today, Evan?
Yes. Not bad.
Not bad. Everything's good in your school?
Yes.
Your tasks, your anything, your subjects?
It was good.
It was good. Okay, wait.
Hold on.
So, do you remember what we've learned from previous meeting? Do you remember it?
No.
No. No. Okay, I'm gonna rewind it for you. Okay, we will
Hey.
rewind
There.
what we've learned from our previous meeting. I'm gonna share my screen, okay? All right. Have you seen my screen?
Yes.
Yes. So our today's topic is it's about using AI in our everyday tasks. Okay. But before we start it, we will review what we've learned from yesterday from our last meeting. Okay, so on our last meeting, we will learn about neural network. So there's one thing in AI is called neural network. So it's the ability of an AI to emulate how the human brain, how the AI works, how the AI thinking, something like that. Like this animal, you choose this animal is more doggy than kitty, right? You remember?
Yes. Mini
Okay. So this is more doggy than more kitty. So that's how the AI works. That's how the neural network in AI works. So it will thinking what dog looks like, the muzzles, the body composure, something like that. It's different than a cat. So it's more doggy than an kitty. And then we'll learn about the three main components that make an AI or make a neural network. There is some data set, training algorithm, and the prediction. Okay.
Mister,
So,
aku selalu makannya, Mister.
why?
Aku selalu makannya.
Boleh. Jadi di AI itu semakin banyak kita latih dia, semakin banyak kita kasih input ke dia. Semakin banyak kita gunakan AI, the more we use it, they will train by itself. They will train by itself. For example, if you use your AI, if you write your story in AI, if you write about yourself in AI, the AI will study yourself. The AI will study every person in this world. Jadi AI itu semakin banyak kita kasih input, semakin banyak kita cerita-cerita ke AI tentang diri kita, dia akan mempelajari manusia, setiap diri kita.
Like ChatGPT.
Yes, like ChatGPT, Gemini, every AI.
AI companion.
Yes. Nah, contohnya For example, it's like a Spotify, it's like Netflix,
YouTube.
YouTube, of course. Semakin banyak kita nonton YouTube, YouTube bakal mempelajari apa yang kita suka. Semakin banyak kita nonton Netflix, Netflix akan mempelajari apa yang sih yang kita suka.
Karena aku lagi nonton YouTube.
Oke.
Kan sebelum ini. Au.
For example, misalnya Evan like to watch some action movies. They will recommend action movies, more action movies for you.
I like to watch action movies.
Hmm. And then there's one unique examples, okay? Thinking when you want to buy a new shoes, okay?
News.
A new shoes. You watch the review of the new shoes at YouTube. Kamu nonton review orang beli sepatu baru, terus kamu pengen. Tiba-tiba, suddenly, there's an advertisement, there's an ads di Instagram, di TikTok about your new shoes. Have you ever experienced that? Kamu pernah ngalamin itu nggak?
Don't have TikTok.
Lupa.
Don't. I don't
So,
have Instagram.
I think you don't pay Instagram. Okay,
No. But
maybe it's
I've experienced that.
maybe it's like YouTube ads. Kamu pernah lihat iklan apa aja di YouTube?
Tom Cruise
Tom Cruise, movies,
using some brand.
brands. What brands?
I don't know what brand. Zalora gitu.
Zalora.
They
Shopping.
choose Zalora.
So it's working similar like that. If
Yeah,
you like
similar.
playing games, kalau kamu suka main games, yang keluar iklan games. Kalau kamu suka belanja, yang keluar iklan belanja,
Yeah.
kayak gitu.
My sister likes to do it. That's why my mom always run out of money.
Okay. So it's
She's
something like
always,
that.
she's always like, I want this. Never mind. I want this again. But never mind.
So the more often we using internet, the more often we using AI, it will train the AI, it will train the neural network. And then the neural network, the AI, will give you some recommendation, will give you some prediction about what you like, what you want to do. Something like that. It looks scary, right?
Really? What do you mean?
Okay. So besides the neural network, we also learn about large language model. So it's like a search engine, like chatbot, GPT, like translator and voice assistant. Okay, so we also learn how to create some basic prompt, prompt basic untuk text generation di AI kemarin. Masih ingat kemarin kita bikin cari apa di AI?
Itu loh.
Write a
Oh
script,
yeah,
right?
writing. The script.
Write a script for short videos. Okay. So there is like a format. This is the format, 5 formats. The action, type of text, topic, audience, and limitation. And then through this lesson, sepanjang lesson AI ini, kita akan gunain 5 basic ini. 5 basic mengetik prompts. 5 basic structure of writing prompts. Okay, so we move on to our topic today, AI in everyday life. So, where do you encounter AI in your everyday life, Ivan?
TV or phone.
TV or phone?
Or my sister.
Okay, so it's like, for example, it's like auto correction in your phone. Okay, the grammar check,
Yeah, like
the
that.
grammar check, the automatic
Yeah.
translation,
Yeah.
something like that is using AI basically.
Yeah.
Whereas it could be applied, you have an idea?
We are headshot.
Sorry?
VR headsets.
VR headsets, VR.
Mm-hmm.
But eventually, the AI is using while we making homework, write letters, or even make up stories, cerita bohongan gitu. Jadi neural networks or AI will help you doing your homeworks, bantu Evan ngerjain PR, menulis surat, dan juga mengarang. Have you have some mengarang, tugas mengarang nggak? Ada tugas mengarang nggak biasanya?
Nggak.
Nggak ada?
Ada.
Bahasa Indonesia nggak ada tugas mengarang?
Artinya?
Tugas mengarang tuh misalnya Evan disuruh bikin cerita, tapi cerita bohong-bohongan.
Hmm.
So it's like make up stories.
Nah,
Misalnya kakak ngarang nih, kakak kemarin makan apa ya? Makan nasi goreng misalnya. Nah, biasanya diceritain di tugas bahasa Indonesia.
pernah,
Kemarin
pernah,
nggak pernah, nggak pernah,
pernah, pernah,
pernah nggak kayak
pernah.
gitu.
Terus aku pakai cap GPT.
You can do that in ChatGPT also. Okay, so today let's look at how neural networks work to solve our everyday tasks. Bagaimana kita gunain AI, kita gunain neural networks untuk menyelesaikan tugas-tugas kita sehari-hari, seperti bikin cerita, mengirim pesan, dan juga mengerjakan PR untuk Evan, making your homeworks. So, I would like to consider like an example. Okay, you need to write an email to your grandmother to tell her about your vacation. Okay, I'm wondering where your grandmother at?
Hmm?
Do you know where your grandmother at right now?
Hmm.
Is it still in Bandung or no?
He's in Jakarta right now.
Jakarta. So imagine you send an email or you send a text to your grandma in Jakarta about your vacation, about liburannya Evan. So how we solve this task? How can you solve this task? Just ask AI, ask ChatGPT.
Isn't that like cheating?
Hmm?
Isn't that like cheating?
Yep, it's kind of like cheating,
Nah, I don't care.
but we don't care. We live in 2025, right?
I always cheat.
So it's not called cheating, basically, but it helps our task to make it faster, to make it quicker, to make it very
If it
effective.
if it was cheating, I would use it every day because I was always cheating in class. But I was never found out.
Did you cheat in your test as well?
Sometimes.
Sometimes, oh no, you're a bad guy. You're the bad boy. Okay, so
Because
there's
my friend
some,
always do this.
what kind of exam?
He wants to see my test, but
What?
I got all the answers wrong in purpose, so
Huh?
he would get all the answers wrong and get an F.
So it's like not too obvious, right?
And then I erase it. I like the right questions. I get an A plus. He get an F minus.
Okay. Okay, back to the topic about writing a letter to your grandma. Okay. So is the example of the simple prompt. Okay. Jadi ini contoh prompt yang sangat-sangat simple. Write a letter to my grandma about my summer holidays. Just it.
I know what is the letter. I know
But
how to write letter.
look at this structure, okay? It's not too specific. Ini nggak spesifik banget. Nggak seperti yang kita belajar minggu lalu, gimana kita harus gunain action apa yang harus kita lakukan, what kind of action, what type of text, topic, audience, and limitations. Okay? Will we get a good result when we write this prompt? What do you think? This is too simple.
I think it will get a good result.
Okay. But this prompt is too generic, okay? Ini terlalu simple, terlalu umum. ChatGPT can generate something common and not very interesting. Tidak menarik. Hasilnya akan seperti ini. Do grandma happy doing well?
Etc. etc. etc.
It's too basic, right?
Hmm.
It's too basic. So we want to add some structure there when we learned about last week, last Thursday. So how we fix that? We use this table again. What kind of action, type of text, limitation, and the topic. Okay. The action is, of course, write. And then type of text, a warm and friendly email to grandma from her grandson or granddaughter on. And then the limitation is the letter should be one paragraph long, so it needs to be specific. One paragraph, two paragraphs, three paragraphs, or one sentence. No, not one sentence. Maybe 10 sentence, something like that. Your limitation is your limit. Your mind is your limit. And
Ah.
and then the topic of the letter. Maybe your vacation, maybe your school, maybe what other activities you interested about, anything. So,
PE.
so make sure you will write some detail. Every detail matters in AI. Okay, so here's the detail prompt. Help me write a round and friendly email to my grandma from her grandson. Tell her about the highlights of my summer vacation, a trip on the seaside, in the beach, hiking in the woods, etc., etc., etc. And then see the difference here? It will give you some specific answer, some specific paragraphs about build giant castles, play volleyball right on the beach. Look at the first answer. Just it. It's not details, right?
Hmm.
Okay. So, sampai mana tadi? Nah, what else can be improved? So, it will the prompt with indication of style and tone, like emotional styles, use exclamation mark, okay, question mark, anything. Pokoknya jadi kamu harus serba detail, every details matter. Kamu harus cerita ke ChatGPT apa yang benar-benar kamu inginkan. So the mind is your only limit right here. Di lesson ini benar-benar kamu pakai imajinasi kamu. Use your imagination. Okay. You have anything to ask before we start it?
When can we use ChatGPT?
Use ChatGPT. But before we use it, wait. So the quality of the neural network's result directly depends on the quality of the prompt. The more precise, the more detailed the prompt is, the more specific, the more detailed also the result is. And then let's move on to our, what is the name, our platform, AlgoNova. Where it is?
My screen is a little bit laggy now.
Okay, can you share your screen and we log into our platform?
Okay. Share screen. Desktop 1.
AlgoNova. Can you do a full screen? Yep, that's good. Number one. Okay, so there's some question. Select the definition of the textual neural network model. So the textual neural network model is an algorithm trained, yes, last one of text data and is capable of generating, understanding, and processing natural language tests. What is the main function of a prompt when working with neural network? Prompt is used to start the process of generating data by a neural network, setting parameters and constraints. Okay, you will define how the good prompt is and the bad prompt. Okay, definitely the shortest one is the bad prompt. Jadi semakin pendek, sorry. Jadi semakin panjang prompt itu makan semakin bagus hasilnya.
There's a lot of good prompts.
Okay, so this is what will you do in your ChatGPT, okay? You will write a letter to your friend who has moved to another city and describe your life. Let's go to the ChatGPT first. Oh, no. Wait, this document first. All right, so you can file, make a copy. Make a copy. All right, you can feel it now.
What?
So use ChatGPT to write a letter to your friend who moved to another city.
I don't even know where's my ChatGPT. Where's ChatGPT?
Okay. Let's go making a new tab here. Buka
What?
tab baru aja.
Okay.
ChatGPT. So remember, use the structure, okay?
Hmm.
The
And then now what?
action.
Open it.
ChatGPT.com.
ChatGPT.com.
Okay, let's go. Right. What is that? What the letter, right? What the letter about? Okay, you can describe what another city it is. Maybe Jakarta, Surabaya, Cimahi.
Done?
Okay, this is just simple one. Make it details.
You said Jakarta.
Jakarta, how long? The paragraphs, how long the sentence?
Paragraph, 3 paragraphs. I want 3 paragraphs. So I just write 3 paragraphs right here.
Okay, and then what is the topic? What will you tell your friends? What topics? What will you tell your friends about?
I don't know. What can I tell my
Maybe,
friend about?
maybe like the food, the weather, anything.
Like, the weather here is nice. But
Okay. Just type tell about the weather here. Tell about the weather and the food and some friends maybe. Weather.
how do I spell weather? Wait.
WH
Huh?
E WH
H-E W-H-E
WHEA
where
ater WHter TER. Nice. But the weather, what else?
that's
What
how you
else?
spell weather.
Weather, okay. Anything else?
Mm,
Okay.
oh well.
Okay, let's go. You wanted 3 paragraphs? There's your 3 paragraphs, okay. And then copy your prompt, and copy the result.
From the ini.
Yes. Oke, resultnya dulu boleh.
After this,
Copy ke dokumen tadi.
hold on. I'm gonna copy.
Yes, copy.
Done.
Copy to
Now this.
dokumen. Dokumen tadi.
Document.
Ini, yang di atas ini.
This one?
Yes. Yeah. Type here in the result. Paste in the result. Oke, don't forget the prompt. The promptnya juga kamu copy tadi, yang kamu ketik.
I haven't copied it.
Yes.
Oh, I haven't copied it.
Nah, fun fact, ini ada tombol copy.
Oh. Then.
Let's go. Di sini prompt. Oke, scroll down.
Oh, it's telling me which one is the wrong one.
Sorry,
It's telling me which one is the wrong one.
this
The
right.
right
Yes.
paragraph and the weather.
The paragraph is correct, I think. The right
I think
is
so.
typo.
I'm down.
Okay, now task number 2. Scroll up a little bit. Just a little bit. Scroll up again. Okay, stop. Okay, so this is a formal letter request. Surat resmi. Oke. You need to write an official letter to the school principal asking for permission to hold a school events. Oke, jadi kamu harus tulis surat resmi ke sekolah kamu kalau kamu pengen ngadain acara. So, there's a write a letter.
Yes.
Write a letter. Letter.
Letter.
L-E-T-T-E. Yes. Untuk siapa?
Wrong.
Untuk siapa suratnya? Oke. My school di sini kamu describe school kamu apa?
Principal.
Principal.
No.
Ya.
It's principal.
PR, PRI, PRINCI, Perinci, pakai N, Perinci, Perinci, PRIN,
PRIN.
PRIN, oke, CI, 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 bukan, CI Indonesia,
Hmm?
CI, Print, CI,
C. I.
PAL, 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 pakai L. Nah, there you go. About, permission, okay, good. For,
What?
untuk acara apa? Kamu pengen bikin acara apa?
Acara itu di bahasa Inggris apa? Aku lupa.
Acara itu event.
Event.
Bisa acara musik, acara olahraga,
PE.
event and happen. PE itu apa?
Hmm? Olahraga.
Olahraga, oke. Kapan acaranya?
My birthday.
Oke. Sebutkan spesifik. PE event at 19 October, maybe.
I'm done.
2015. Oke, so I will correct, oke. My school, kamu bisa ganti nama sekolahnya. Oke. Well, PE event
Hmm?
at AT Event at. Okay, now you set the limitation about how long the sentence will be, how long the paragraphs will be.
Paragraphs.
It's too much, I think.
I don't care. And then?
Okay, let's check what GPT says.
I think I added too much.
Okay, just copy it like before.
Right here?
Yes.
Okay, number 1.
Under here.
Done.
Done.
Copy.
Copy the
Mhm.
result. Yes. And then the prompt.
Why is it only 10? Oh. Oh. No.
What?
Okay, the prompt.
Okay, the prompt now.
Let's go back. Where's the back button? Where's the back button?
Okay, here. Just click on your screen. Can?
I already clicked on the screen.
Okay, can you minimize this screen? Minimize, yeah.
This is the, so I just do this.
Yes.
Oh, there. But now that I'm getting paid, but the zero stage.
Scroll up, scroll up.
Until I'll be standing. Hey, 8 a.m.
Copy the prompt.
Copy.
Okay.
Like I'm it's real.
Now I think you close it in your Windows here. Different tab. Different window.
Huh? Udah, ya. Where is
Different
it?
different window here.
Is it this one? Oh, not this one. Where
Different
is it?
different Chrome, different Chrome.
Oh,
Chrome yang beda kayaknya.
so what do I do now?
Kamu ke home aja, ke home. Salah.
Where's home? Found it.
Coba. Nah, itu dia.
There we go.
Yeah, let's go. Task number 3 now on the bottom.
Wait a minute.
At the bottom, at the
Who
bottom. Task
are
number 3.
you? Use ChatGPT to greeting card for a specific holiday. You can choose any holiday.
Okay, can you do
A
that?
holiday to Japan.
Yes, you can.
Okay, let's go back to ChatGPT. Tadi write apa?
Greeting card.
Greeting?
What a text for a greeting card? Double E. Greeting. TING. T-I-N-G. Oke. Card. Oke, greeting card apa?
You can say 111 paragraphs.
Ini greeting card apa dulu nih? What kind of greeting card? Ya, apa tadi di soalnya? Of my vacation, holiday. Di Japan, oke. How long? 2 kalimat? 3 kalimat? It will be too long, I think. Okay. This one is the correct paragraph.
Now,
Okay, let's check it. What GPT says. Wow, it's too long.
asakusa.
Okay. Okay, ayo.
Oh,
Mhm. Jadi
hey,
menurut
what's my name?
in your opinion,
Hmm.
what improvement can you make?
Hmm. I have no idea.
Apa yang bisa kamu perbaiki?
Sounds like I have no idea.
Oke, the first one, kamu bisa perbaiki alur ceritanya. Oke, kamu bisa perbaiki misalnya di sini disebutkan weather-nya amazing, tapi menurut kamu ternyata weather-nya nggak se-amazing itu. Oke, di sini
That's
juga,
amazing.
oke.
I've been to Japan before.
Hmm. Jadi misalnya my first stop was Tokyo, and then you eat sushi, and so on and so on. Mungkin menurut versi GPT kayak gini, tapi menurut versi orang lain, menurut versi kamu bisa beda. Mungkin kamu ke Nagoya dulu, mungkin kamu ke Kyoto dulu, kayak gitu.
Emang ke Tokyo dulu.
Nggak apa-apa. Nah, jadi itu yang bisa kamu improve nanti. Kamu bisa tambahin secara detail kamu kemana aja, diceritain ke GPT-nya. Oke, nggak apa-apa. Copy aja semuanya. Copy and then paste di dokumen tadi.
Okay. So I copy all of this.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. This is salah. I have to start from the very beginning. Always, man.
Are you having some difficulties using your touchpad?
I'm using my mouse. Yes, yes,
You're using your mouse right now.
yes. Yes, finally.
The other one. This one.
Hmm?
In your
Okay.
background. In your background. There you go.
He's on. Okay, it's gonna be. It already knows it's going to be long.
Okay, the prompt. Don't forget the prompt.
Oke, let's go back. Ada. Ada kok kertasnya. Enggak ada kertasnya, aku ada.
Tadi kan, kamu baru sedikit, nanti dilengkapi ya.
Ya. Harus pakai spidol. Oke. Now where's the prompt?
Copy the prompt. Yeah. Copy.
Ding. I want to do it like this. It's easier.
In your background. All right.
Wait, is it this one?
Yeah.
Just gonna put it there. Paste. Paste.
Okay, then and then now go to file
Fire.
and then download. File. Ah, that one, that one.
This one?
Okay, file, yes. Download.
Download.
Yes. And then PDF document. There you
Done.
go. And then go back to AlgoNova again. Here in your background. Okay, AlgoNova here. And then upload it.
Is it this one?
Where it is? The document, maybe downloads. Yeah, there you go. Okay, checklist, the green one. There you go, next. Okay, this one is the same. Just upload the same. Okay. There you go. And then the last one. Okay. Now we go back to my Zoom, okay? We go back to my Zoom. I will share my screen again.
Done. I'm gonna stop share.
Okay. So we already make some tasks with an AI. Now we will use AI as our learning assistant. So imagine you are preparing for a test for an exam. You have a lot of material. And
Mami,
you,
Yes.
hari Senin libur.
and you need to highlight the key points of your materials. Then you're writing a paper and need help defining the main idea. And then you will need to translate a text from French or another language. AI can do it all for you very quickly and very effectively. Sorry. So, the first one is the text compression. Imagine you have a book. Bayangin kamu punya buku, bukunya tebel. Tapi kamu pengen singkat aja. You want to read the summarize. You want to summarize it. Kamu pengen bikin kesimpulan aja dari buku itu. Kamu bisa make it shorter. This is the example of the bad prompts. Make it shorter from a book or an article. And this is the example of high quality prompts. Compress the article about the impact of social media on teenagers up to 200 words. Okay, something like that. And again, you need to be detailed.
Details.
Details, yeah, every details matters. Also, our prompt can be used for grammar and style checking. Oke. Kayak sebelumnya kamu nulis paragraf. Nah, itu dicek sama AI, dibenerin sama AI. AI will check your mistakes. And then we go on the ChatGPT again, okay? We go on the ChatGPT again. And then you will share your screen. How we use our AI in your everyday life. Share your screen again, Ellie.
Okay, I'm gonna share my screen. Done.
Okay. Go back to the course. Number 2. Okay. LMS, large language models. Text translation. Answering, not answering question. Finishing sentences. I'm not sure. Answering question. Outlining the essence of the text. Outlining the essence of the text. Okay, check. Or still fail. Wait. So the LMS will wait. Text compression. Text translation. And then text compression. No, they know. Searching for information. Is there anything else? Grammar style checking. Creating unique words, like anything else. Creating unique words are unlike anything else. Okay, let's go check. Oh, still, this is the correct solution. You can see it at the bottom, yeah. There you go. Okay, never mind. Let's move to number 2. Okay, good prompt and bad prompt again.
Ya, sama SS menurut S.
I thought it was
Besar. Ini besar.
Okay, let's try.
Ini kalau susah dia.
Sip, mantap. Okay, now you will move to ChatGPT. Okay, you will open the document first. Okay, now you will make a copy like before. Go to the file, file, make a copy. There you go. All right, the first task is writing an abstract article. Oke, Evan pikirin kira-kira Evan lagi interest sama apa? Apakah lagi interest sama olahraga, lagi interest sama music, anything else? Bikin, ask ChatGPT to write 3 or 4 paragraphs about anything else. Maybe technology, sports, music, anything else. Right? Yeah, make an article
Lebih kurang dari sih. Tapi kalau belum kan kemudian
An article. AR C. ARC. Bener ya. Artikel. Ya benar. Sorry. Make an article about
Udah ada topinya.
what kind of sports? Can you be specific about it?
Ini loh, jaket sweater polos sendiri. Harusnya jaket mama kayak gini.
Okay, about swimming. How long? 3 or 4 paragraphs.
Mau dibeliin jaket nggak mau ada hoodie-nya. Kalau mereka.
Oke, sekarang kakak mau Evan pikirin tentang swimming. Apa yang pengen Evan ceritain? Apakah benefit dari swimming? Apakah perlengkapan swimming? Something like that. You need to be detailed.
Okay.
Okay,
So now what?
maybe the beneficial of swimming.
Do you mean?
Ya, di sini kan Evan pengen ceritain tentang swimming. Oke. Sekarang Evan harus lebih detail lagi. Coba Evan tambahin sport swimmingnya Evan ganti jadi the beneficial of swimming. Keuntungan dari berenang.
We can also talk about what?
Beneficial, advantage.
Like, boleh kasih contoh Kak?
Oke. Keuntungan beneficial B. Keuntungan swimming. Manfaat swimming. Do you know how to spell advantage or beneficial?
Hmm?
AD, V,
Hmm?
ADV, AD,
Aber.
ADDD, delta. Sorry. V, Victor,
Hmm?
V, Victor. Yes. Advent, A, N, T, A, G, golf. Yes. Advantage, E. Okay, of swimming. After my of swimming in one paragraph. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's copy the prompt and copy the result. The other one. Yes. The prompt. Okay. Now task number 2, scroll down.
Task starter.
Task number 2. Okay. Now it's about a generating question. Okay. Sekarang kakak mau Evan pilih satu subjek di sekolah.
Okay.
Oke, apa?
Let's write it here.
Pilih satu subjek di sekolah Evan. Evan mau bahas tentang apa?
Hmm,
Math or science? Or socials? Atau PKN mungkin?
English, English.
English, oke. Sekarang kita tanya GPT. GPT kasih 10 contoh soal ulangan bahasa Inggris di kelas 4 SD.
And what?
Oke. Give me 10 examples contoh of English exam, ujian bahasa Inggris,
Oh,
English question test,
cool. Wish.
Oke. QS. Question test. Tes. Question test. Tes ujian. Oke, untuk kelas berapa? For fourth grade. Fourth grade. Untuk kelas 4. Oke. Let's check it what GPT says. Oke. Jadi ChatGPT bakal kasih contoh soal-soal bahasa Inggris kayak gitu.
I know what it is.
Oke, let's copy it.
Okay. Okay, copy.
Copy. The prompt. All right, last one, I think. Task number 3.
No, there's number 4.
Oh, there's number 4. Okay, let's go. Task number 3. Find a short text in a foreign language. Okay. The first one, you need to search what language you will use. Kau pengen dalam bahasa
Use
apa?
Germany.
Germany, oke. Sekarang kamu cari di Google. Kamu cari di Google. Satu kalimat dalam bahasa Jerman. Ini aja. Kamu cari lirik lagu German Germany Anthem. German Anthem.
Lirik.
Yes. German National Anthem.
Lirik.
Yes.
Hmm,
Itu udah pasti bahasa Jerman kan, pasti kan?
ya.
German National Anthem.
B Jerman.
Germany National Anthem.
Ini show
National. National. Nasional, nasional.
nasional.
Yes.
Nih,
National.
national. Dan
Anthem.
anthem.
Okay, there you go. Hey, can you click this? Okay, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. We see some. Where's the lyric? I don't know. I don't see a lyric. Okay, go back. I think go
I
back.
think this is the lyrics.
Yeah, you cannot copy it. Go to the Genius, I think.
I think the images.
No images.
I found it.
Yeah, you don't need to type it. Okay, you need to copy it.
I don't think even.
You cannot.
Okay, now what do I do?
Okay. Now you will copy the text. Okay, copy the text to GPT and ask GPT to translate to Indonesia.
Okay, which one?
Jadi
This?
lirik lagu tadi kamu copy.
How do I copy?
Oke, makanya kita cari liriknya. Kita jangan cari image, cari liriknya. Scroll up, scroll up. Go to the all. Oke, we choose maybe Genius this. Harusnya ada. Nah, itu dia. Maybe one sentence or one or two sentence until here maybe. Okay, let's copy it to GPT. Copy, copy. Can you copy?
Wait, let me try again. I can.
Okay, the GPT.
Wait, it's still loading.
Copy it.
Now what? Now what?
Copy, copy. Paste, paste, paste.
Here?
Here, yes. Okay,
Done.
now I need you to shift and enter.
Shift and I don't have enter.
Shift enter, yes.
I don't have enter.
What? You don't have enter?
I have return, shift, and delete.
Shift enter, shift enter.
I only have shift, return, and delete. I don't have enter.
I think the symbol is enter.
Hmm?
The symbol is enter in your keyboard.
Wait. I do not have that symbol in my keyboard.
Okay. Right above the shift, you don't have it?
No?
No? Okay, never mind. Okay, now I need you to write to GPT to translate to Indonesia. Bilang GPT-nya translate to bahasa Indonesia. Oke, there you go. Di sini kamu bisa pakai translation untuk GPT.
Copy.
Yes. Copy, copy.
From. It's almost. Where's the. Here it is. Copy.
Oke, ship.
Done.
Okay, so the last one, AI can check your text for errors and suggest style improvement. So you need to write message to your teacher asking him or her to send you the homework. Oke. Bayangin kamu lagi chatting sama guru kamu. Kamu tanyain, Mister, tolong kirimin homework dong gitu. Dan kamu harus cek grammar ke GPT. Mrs. Can you please send me, can you please the homework that you gave in the classroom before? Before? Okay. Now, this is the text you will send you to your teacher. There is some grammar check. Okay. You will ask GPT to check my grammar.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, there you go. Copy and paste like usual. Hmm. Okay, now go to the file again. Download PDF document. Okay, go back to the AlgoNova again.
Now?
Yes, upload.
Yes, this one.
Green one checklist. There you go. All right, that's it. Wow, we made it. There you go. You can turn off your screen. Okay, so we've learned a lot today, right?
Mm-hmm.
What do you remember the most? What do you remember the most? What we've learned?
ChatGPT.
ChatGPT. Okay, we have some tasks, right? We have like 8 tasks, I think. 8 of tasks, ChatGPT, typing stories, typing questions, ya.
Hmm.
Oke. So jadi kita udah bikin 8 buah soal, 8 buah task untuk ngerjain ChatGPT. ChatGPT bisa kita pakai untuk bikin cerita, bikin surat, bikin pesan, mencari soal, mentranslate ya, banyak banget. There's so many things that GPT can do. Before I close this lesson today, do you have anything to ask before?
No.
Not really. Okay. So what do you
No.
think this lesson is? Do you have an improvement from this lesson?
Yes, I think.
You think you have some new knowledge from GPT?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So I need you to use it in your everyday life, like making homeworks, making letters, making text to your teacher, maybe. Using ChatGPT, there is more effective and more efficient. Kamu bisa bikin cerita, bikin soal, bikin pesan untuk guru kamu, untuk teman kamu, untuk siapapun, supaya kamu lebih efektif dan efisien, kayak gitu. And check your grammar. I notice you have some mistakes in your grammar, okay, Evan? Okay, you can check it by GPT also. Okay, good. Everything's good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You have anything to ask before?
No.
No, not really. Okay. So thank you for attending my class today, Evan. And we will see on next Thursday at 17:30. Okay. Okay,
Bye.
so good evening. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.